Data engineers need a mix of hard and soft skills. Hard skills include proficiency in SQL, Python, Bash, JVM, and a second programming language like JavaScript. Soft skills include strong communication, agility, and understanding of FinDev costs, continuous learning, and good business sense, particularly with concepts like data mesh. Data mesh is an architectural approach that decentralizes data ownership to domain-specific teams. So it treats data as a product to enhance scalability, quality, and accessibility across an organization. Companies applying the data mesh model often introduce a new role known as analytics engineer. And it's just equivalent to data engineer with domain business knowledge. You might have a question. Why is tools like AWS or Airflow not mentioned here? Well, it is important to understand there are hundreds of tools are available for data engineer based on like a different part of data engineer cycle. Mastering the fundamental of hard skills, understanding data needs, and continuously learning are crucial for entering data engineer field.